As we race through the last few days of the holiday, you have some of this, some of this, some of this, a few of these. It's time to use up what you have left and still create beauty. The base, a curly willow armature. You can have these pre-made months in advance, weeks in advance, or since we're at the last minute, just right now. The key is pliable curly willow, and then just pull it back on itself, knotting it down, and then tie it off with bind wire to secure it. And then you're ready to build your bouquet. As you begin, you can think about small with just a few roses, and then filling it in with filler like tiaras to give it a full lush look. Or you can do a lot of roses. It really depends on what the budget is. And you can see just weaving it in, mixing the colors so that you can use whatever you have left. You know, that last minute Valentine's, sometimes you'll have 3 of this color, 3 of that color, 2 of another, and it makes no difference when you mix and match to fill it in. Filling in with a bit of foliage as you need. Again, whatever you have left. It doesn't matter which foliage it is, just feeding it, adding in a few more roses. I like to work all the way around. I think that works well for most homes, but it depends on, again, how many roses you're going to do. But you can see with the armature in there, it looks pretty no matter what you do. And then just adding in a bit more of the tiaras, double checking your count, your budget. Then, when you have everything in place, using one more bind wire to tie it all together. A bonus, if you sell the flowers and then sell the vase separately, you can meet a number of different price points and use up one-off vases. So it could be small, medium, glass, an urn, something a little larger. You just cut it to fit whichever vase that they choose, and then you can just drop it in, ready for delivery. The recipe, I use the curly willow base, tiaras, and ruscus. Then I use 12 roses, golden mustard, the beautiful orange, red for freedom, and then mondial. Again, you can use whatever color, mix and match. Maybe the budget allows for 7 roses. It would still be beautiful. Then an assortment of vessels to choose from, and you're ready to go. Valentine's, it's a love-hate holiday. The key to profitability is selling everything you have. You'll find more creative inspiration on our website, flowerschool.com. If you have questions, you can reach us through there. But now it's your turn. Look around at all that you have. What can you create using up all the odds and ends, making beauty and spreading the love? Be sure to take a picture. I know time is tight, but see if you can take a picture, post it on social media, and hashtag Floral Design Institute. That way we all can see what you do as you do something you love.